Welcome everyone, Lego Monday. I've got the Ferrari 812 Competizione. Pardon my Italian butchering of that, because I know it wasn't right. I think the Ferraris generally look cool because I think that just sort of like I was saying last week. I'm not really familiar with what they look like in person, so it's not as disappointing that they don't look exactly perfect Legos to me on these. And I do notice it's got looks like a special bumper or a grill insert up there just on the front cover. I did find it does have the hologram sticker on it, so it's an official product. I guess that's a serial number there. I don't know if that's a specific serial number for this piece or just the for this particular unit, or if it's for the series as a whole. But either way, we're going to crack her open and build her. See what we got going on here. Come on, yeah. Looks like 2 bags, some stickers, and not a super beefy book. It's thick enough, but it's not like ka-chunk. Got how many steps we going at on this one? Actual steps looks like 87, so that's okay, not bad. Wheel options and the tub. Looks like just 2 choices there. All right. If you're new here, what you're going to see now is me knolling these pieces out, and then I'm going to speed up the footage to build it, so it won't last forever to build. So with that being said, I'll stop and talk to you again at the end. See you then. Okay, there it is, our completed Ferrari 812. Butcher this again. Competizione. If there was ever any doubt about me knowing Italian, it's gone. Yeah. Typical few extra pieces. That's what I had left over, plus an extra visor in the hair. But I still got the rims to pick out here. Let's see here. As usual, just do one pair on each side just to see what I think is more appropriate. I think I'm going to deal with the 5-spoke. I'm just feeling that. I'm just sort of... neither one of them really thrill me. But I think... typical... I think I just like these just that much better. Okay. So, goes over there. Get a good look at everything here. I like it. Honestly, this sort of looks like a Corvette to me. long hood, slant back, which seems fair since Corvette copied the 430 for their newest version, or prototyped it, or whatever you want to call it. I like it. That's interesting, using the stud launchers as exhaust. I think that's a cool, and it looks right to me. I think I thought that was going to be a custom piece. I didn't realize there was going to be a sticker on the grill. And I think as I went along, the stickers got straighter. That one is just crooked enough to bug me, but it's too... I'm not going to worry about I'll mangle it if I try and get it off at this point. But I'm satisfied. This is a fun little build. I always like building the cars. They're just sort of interesting to look at. And got our dude in his authentic Ferrari jacket, or if I can get focus on that. There he goes. I guess his shirt looks like he's got pockets. I don't think there's a little detail on the back, nothing extravagant. I dig it, of course. Like all these supercars, I don't know why they give him the wrench, because they're never going to let him use it. Let's see. Yeah, sits down in there. Let's put his arms up where he can reach the wheel. There he is. Actually, one of his hands does line up with the wheel. Cool. Alright. And he's in there doing his driving thing. I'll put him up on the shelf with all the other ones I've got. And I got another one coming sometime in the next couple of weeks. I don't know when I'm going to actually do that one, but it's a vehicle. But I don't think it comes with a guy. But I'm looking forward to do that, and it's sort of been on my radar for a while, and I've been debating whether to do it or not. But it doesn't really fit in with any of the vehicles I've done. But I think I'm going to enjoy it, so I hope y'all will too. But anyway, with that being said, this week on the rest of my toys, I've decided to go back to the old, well, not even old, it was a fairly obscure Captain Power. It was a TV show, interactive TV show game thing they did for like 6 months one time, back in, I think it was the 80s. And that's going to be my toys for the week, so hope you enjoy those. That being said, thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because this is going to last a while yet. And I'll see you next time. Bye.